Hello everyone. Today we are going to go and do a install video. We've got some bits from Mini Bitz for my friend's 2007 Mini Cooper S. Got the auto finesse gear, go down to wash the car as well, and then we'll be doing a small install video on the bits that we have. So let's get going. So it is 2007 Mini Cooper S. We got it 3 or 4 weeks ago now. As you can see, got all these chrome bits all over the car. It's a bit of a Brexit mobile at the moment with the vinyl roof, but we put this steel roof rack on a couple of weeks ago. That's all on there, and ultimately we've got door handles to do, petrol cap to do, written a black bit on the boot, and this horrible kiss my ass sticker, and yeah, but it's kind of going to be dechroming the car really. So he's a learner driver as well, so he doesn't actually know how to drive yet. So we're going to be driving on the A34 with learner plates on, which is kind of terrifying, but we should be fine. Right, well, first of all, we need to clean the car. So let's give that a go. 3, 2, 1. Right, done. So let's get some of these parts on first. All right, what do you want to get started with?
I think we should do handles.
Handles first. Okay, right, let's go. Right, so in theory, these just push on, but there's 3M tape on the inside, so let's just take that off and then get it fitted. Right, so we've taken the 3M tape off. Now I think we just put it on and push. Sure it's on. There we go, that looks pretty good. Right, and then the other side. Right, well that's really, really simple to be fair, and that's a very cheap, easy mod. I like it. Right, what's next? We do the eyelets.
I think that's the plan.
Right, so they've given us left and right. Let's start with the left. Okay, so after we've taken off about 1 billion levels of 3M tape and the plastic sheeting around it, we're ready to put on. So we clean the car. Just gonna make sure it's all dry. And put it on like so. So it just fits over. I mean, I'm happy with that. I haven't pushed it down yet. What do you reckon?
I think that looks really good.
Okay, so a bit of tricky placement, but looks like it's on. Can't see any of the chrome underneath it, so let's try the next one. Okay, so here we've got the side-by-side comparison, black with the silver. Let's go ahead and put the other eyelet on. Right, so now we have both of them on. We've also got these little black bits, which actually fit on these bits here. So let's go ahead and put those on. Okay, so now we've got the little markers on there as well. These are really simple. They literally just slot in over the plastic bit that was there. And then we've got the black plastic trim that goes around it. Looks really good actually. It's actually really flush with the bodywork. There's no real raise. I was concerned that they would kind of sit out from the bodywork itself. So I think that actually was a really, really good job. It looks really clean. I think it kind of changes the look at the front of the car. But what we're going to do now is get the gloss black on the bumper here, and hopefully that should change the whole front end. So let's get that on. So there's 2 pieces to the bumper. We've got the bottom, and we've also got this top piece that's just going to fit right on. Looks pretty simple in regards to how they fit on. We've got these little brackets for where the fog lamps are supposed to be. I'm not sure whether those are standard on a Mini or not, but I'm try and fit it around there. All the 3M tape is off. I'm just going to align each side. Make sure it's set. Push it in. Pretty simple. There, that slot on really easily. So let's do the top. Well, I've got to say, I'm actually very impressed with this. I was very skeptical of them because I just thought that they will like protrude from the bodywork and they just give a bit of a weird look. But actually, I'm relatively happy with what they look like, and they're actually quite affordable as well. So I would definitely recommend checking them out. Yeah, go and check out Mini Bitz. We'll link their stuff in the description down below.
Or you can search Kill All Chrome.
Or you can search Kill All Chrome. I mean, this car is looking a lot better without the chrome, so I would say so. Right, let's get this on. It's kind of worrying because if the tape hits it, then it sticks forever. Like that. Oh, that looks pretty good. I quite like that. So that one was more difficult to put on because it goes in quite far under the bonnet. So I had to angle it downwards to get it in because the 3M tape is so sticky that it was just getting stuck. So that was quite difficult, but ultimately once you get it on, like, look at that, how much better does that look? Cool, right, let's do the rear next. Right, so we've got pretty much the same as we had on the front, but in regards to the rear tail lights. So this is a pretty simple install. Again, 3M tape, take the plastic off, stick it on. So I won't show you exactly what's going to happen, but this is what it looks like. Cool, so that's what it looked like. Again, this is definitely changing the look of the car. Yeah, it looks a lot better, I like it. So now, what else have we got to do? We've got to do the petrol cap. And then we've also got these horrible mini badges, but we need to get a whole new badge to cover up this horrible mini bit. But for the moment, we're gonna put a black outer on just to make it look a bit better for the moment, and then we'll get a whole new badge later on. Cool, so we've got the petrol cap on. Next, we've got this kind of bootlet that really simply just fits onto there. So give you an example. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I think it looks quite good. We've got to put the black badge on the Mini, and also we've got some black vinyl for the trim, but I don't know if we're going to get time for that today, and it's about to start raining, so I'm not sure we're going to get around to that, but we'll definitely do a little video to show how easy that is. But yeah, it kind of changes the whole back end of the car. Obviously got the handles on, and then the front of the car looks so much better, looks so much meaner. Again, we've got this silver trim that we're going to be dealing with, but we'll deal with that in the future. Okay, so last bits, we've just got these little black inserts that simply just fit over the mini badge like that. I was saying earlier is that we have rubbish mini badge in general anyway, but we're going to be ordering a whole new part. But for the moment, we just got these to see what they'd look like. So we're going to put them on anyway. These do protrude a little bit more, but again, not by much, and you can't really tell. Okay, so as mentioned, simply just stick on over the top. They look really good. Actually, when you stick them down with a 3M tape, they don't stick out just as much as I thought they did at the start. But it definitely changes the whole look of the car. I think that with the black inserts kind of makes it look a bit more aggressive. Again, not the best colour to try and have an aggressive car or aggressive style, but like I say, we need to do the silver trim going around the outside, but we're not going to really get around to that today, I don't think. But yeah, there's the front as well. Looks a lot better, I like it. Okay, so we're home now. Everything's been done on the Mini. All looks really good. So we definitely recommend checking out Mini Bitz. We'll link all their stuff in the description. Definitely go check them out. Really affordable, looks really good, easy to apply. Yeah, cool. All right, we'll catch you guys in the next video.